Good evening, everyone. The time is 1:13 South African and Greek time. Uh, what happened? The Oscars are a dignified occasion to honor the film and television people who must tell us as children, particularly those who acted in the long movies. Were they really doing those things or were they acting? Were they really killing people? Were they teaching us to kill people or but showing us as acting and to do all kinds of things, to cook, to eat, to go to the beach, to go to the ocean if the beach is too busy, because the consciousness you have when you're in the ocean is different from the ocean that is near you, which is water really. Because the ocean that is near you is very near you. You are in the valley. You've been in the valley for 1,000 years. You've seen the mambas. You've seen the working women. You've seen the teachers. You've seen the priests. You've seen the killers. You've even seen a white woman. You've even seen a scary white man. And they're even more scarier black men. You've seen jokers. You've seen security men who started their own security companies because seeing a need for security at that time because of the things that were happening at that time. So we must not be colonized by the things that we read. Those things were happening at that time, and they happened for a short period to others. And this is what we must always remember as South Africa, that other countries were freed, were given independence in the 1960s. We also got our independence in the 1960s, but our independence was not granted us by the Afrikaners because they were saying we were not ready to govern. Perhaps they had made sure that we would never be ready to govern. They had used a scientific method to make sure that we are not ready to govern. But now, 31 years later, are we ready to govern? Or in 400 years' time, or 200, or just 200 years' time, will we be ready to govern? There is a video. I'm going to engage with this video because those two men are black men. They have children. They are successful men. They are invited to the Oscars. They are dignified men. So what can cause one man to beat another man? Maybe they were acting, or maybe it happened for real. And now what does it say about Chris's father? What kind of Chris is he going to raise now when he's aware that even in a dignified place, you can be embarrassed? Perhaps a black person is seeing his hero. Of course, we shouldn't have a hero. Our hero should be the Word who created the heavens first. And everything else. So if our Lord works with love. It means he loved the heavens more than the earth because he created the heavens first. But if he works with hate, then he created the thing that he hates the most, perhaps flying, because of the turbulence. Because when I'm there on the air, am I thinking the same way as I'm thinking when I'm on the ground? I'm not thinking the same way. I'm looking at South Africa from a vantage point. I'm looking at Kenya. I'm looking that this idwala leli. Mhlampe bamshisele khona uMswati otikoloshe. Mhlampe otikoloshe banesigodi sabo. Kufanele sithole isigodi sotikoloshe sibalwe ngempi yey'godi. Le ejwayelekile nje yey'godi. Kuthi kufanele kufike iy'nsizwa ey'zobulala nje otikoloshe. Ngoba manje uma beshise isilo saseSwazini kanje, sakhala kangaka isilo, kushuthi bebephakama ngesilo saseSwazini. Cabanga isilo saseSwazini sasincane kangaka. Ngoba eBhayibhelini kuthiwa siphila u-900 years. Bamumayinazela iminyaka emingakhi-ke yena? Eyisilo ephethe amabutho, ephethe ongwenya nomamba. Eney'ngane zakhe ey'ningi nabafazi abaningi, iy'ngane zakhe ey'nomalume abaningi. Inkosi yaKaNgwane ephethe oDlamini. ODlamini baDlamini balwa babe ngaphansi kwaShaka. Balwa ngempela kule mpi enkulu kunazo zonke izimpi ezake zaba khona, la uShaka enza khona iphutha, wanyuka nempi, wanyuka intaba esewinile, wanyuka intaba, wanyuka intaba, wanyuka intaba uShaka, wanyuka intaba uShaka. Ngiyabonga, wena Wendlovu.